There's different types of humidifiers on the market. You may have a bypass humidifier or a powered fan humidifier like this. They're the most common. However, according to justhumidifiers.com, whole house humidifiers waste an average of 5 to 8 gallons of water for every gallon of moisture added to the air. The average output is 7 to 8 gallons per day. That equates to 2,000 gallons of water wasted per month going right down the drain, out of that drain tube on the bottom of the humidifier.
Wow.
So the solution is a whole house humidifier recirculation system like this. Basically, the drain water goes into a bucket. There's a small sump pump that pumps the water back up to the intake of the humidifier. Whatever water is not used inside the humidifier drains back down to that bucket and is recirculated. Woo!